Welcome back to Mr. Guard's maths class. This is going to be the final lesson in this unit on angles, and we are going to be looking at solids and Euler's rule. We're going to have a quick look at a series of polyhedrons. Poly means many, hedrons means surfaces. So we're looking at three-dimensional shapes now, and there's a couple of really quite quick basics that we're going to look at initially. Two types of shapes that we're going to look at are prisms and pyramids. Pyramids, as we sort of know, are like pyramids shaped in the vicinity or something similar to these. You can have a triangular based pyramid that looks like, that isn't a great one. It might be something like that, or you could have a hexagonal based pyramid. Let me try and draw one of those, sort of like that. That's a hexagonal based pyramid. Pyramids are obviously a shape on the bottom leading up to a point at the top. They can obviously be upside down if need be. The next one are prisms. Now, if you have done the unit on area and volume, you might remember a prism is a shape that's then extruded out, kind of like that. You can have, this one's maybe a rectangular based prism, or you could have a cylinder, which is a circular circle extruded out, or you could have, as the one in red, is a triangle prism. Now, to explain Euler's rule. Euler's rule is relatively simple. It's this multicolored looking one that you need to know. So E equals F plus V minus 2. What it enables us to do is to work out how many faces or how many vertices or how many edges there are on a certain shape. So the E stands for edges. The edges are, that's a long edge that I've just drawn in black, or this one, or this one, or this one. Effectively, any of those red lines are edges. A face for F is sort of this shape, the outside kind of rectangle in that bit, or this triangle is a face. I'll just remove those. And then V is for vertices, and vertices are the corners. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in this case. So we can find an unknown. So let's say we didn't know how many edges and we couldn't count them. So E would remain as E. The F for faces, we would have to count how many faces. Now, it's really important that you're careful, especially when you're thinking about the back sides of shapes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. Make sure you get the same number. Plus the vertices. So in this case, I know there's 6. We counted them just before. Minus 2. So the number of edges should equal 5 plus 6 is 11 minus 2, which is 9. Let's confirm that we have 9 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. We can rearrange that formula any way we need. If we want to find the faces, we want to find the vertices. Provided we have 2 of the 3 unknowns, we can work it out for any shape. Give it a go. You can even come up with your own pyramids or prisms and see if the formula works. Thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed it.